Hello guys, hope you guys are well. Thank you for joining me again for another video. If you are new to my channel, I am JojoFine01 and thank you for joining me today. So guys, today's video I'm going to be reviewing the new Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette. So this is the packaging of the new Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette. This is the Huda Beauty's Precious Stone Obsessions palette. So this come in like 5 mini palettes. And the packaging looks like this. The PRO packaging looks like this. It looks really pretty this way. It looks like this. That is the eyeshadows right there. It comes in 5 eyeshadow. So in this palette you have your blues, your green, your red, your gold, your purple, and it looks really beautiful, guys. I'm not going to lie, the packaging looks good, and I did some swatches on the video for you guys to see how it looks. So if you want to see how I created this look using the new Huda Beauty Precious Stones palette, stay tuned for this video, guys.
Choke you down just like a pill. Take you like a
So guys, I'm going to start with using the Urban Decay primer potion to prime my lid for the eyeshadow. I always like using an eyeshadow base before any eyeshadow I apply on my eyes. I'm going to set that with the translucent powder we used. Then the first eyeshadow palette, I'm going to take that orange brown shade. I'm going to apply that as the transition color for the eyes. The pigment of the eyeshadow was okay, but I had to build up the pigment to show up. So I just kept applying that on the eyes. Then I went into that shade. I had to build up the shade a bit more because I wanted the pigment to be like, I wanted the pigment to show more. So like I said, you have to build up the color, apply little, then build up the color. But the colors were really beautiful and I was going for halo eyes. Then I went into that other palette. I took the dark green shade. So I applied that on top of that first shade. So I was trying something different today, so I didn't just want to stick with my normal browns and red color, so I wanted to go for a green look today. So I took a dark brown from that eyeshadow palette, then I'm applying it all over the crease. Then I'm going back to the green palette. Then I'm going to take that shimmer shade. The good thing about this palette is I didn't have to apply the shimmer shade with my finger. I had to apply it with a brush and it came out really well. I didn't have to wet the brush. That shimmer shade was really good. Then I went to the red palette. I took that shade. I applied that all around the first shimmer shade that we applied. I didn't know the type of look I was going for. I was just freestyling and doing whatever. So you can just play around with the colors, and I wanted to try and use all the palette in one look. So I hope you guys understand where I was going with this look. Then I blend out the colors a bit more. Then I'm going to take this liner by Smashbox to line my under eyes. It's a dark purple eyeliner. I'll leave the name at the description bar. Then I'm going to blend that green underneath my eyes just to smoke out the under eyes and balance the look out. Then I'm going to take the Thrive Cosmetic mascara from my top lashes for now. Then I'm going to powder my face to set my makeup in place. The face tutorial will be out very soon. This lashes by Huda Beauty, name will be at the description bar. I'll take the Fenty Beauty eyeliner just to line the top of my eyes. So taking the Topaz Obsession palette, I'm going to take that shade. I'm going to apply that on the inner tear dot of my eyes. That will just brighten the eyes a little bit more. I'm going to use this Mascara highlighter to make myself glow, like to highlight my face, my nose, and everywhere you want to glow. So I'm going to apply this. This highlighter is so beautiful. This is my first time of trying it out. It was really pretty. So I'm going to use the Huda Beauty lip liner to line my lip. I'm going to be doing mixture of 2 lip on this tutorial. I'm going to be doing nude and bold. So this is the first nude. Then I'm going to apply mascara on my bottom lashes, of course. Then don't forget to spray your face to lock down the makeup. So this is the first nude lip. Like with the look, I'm going to switch to the red. So let me know which would be like your preferred shade, red or nude with this eye look. Okay guys, thank you for watching to the end of this review. I had to remove like the face tutorial, just talk about the eyes and do the eyes on here. I'm sorry I could not do like a talk through video because yeah, I couldn't do that today. I'm sorry about that. So for my thought on this palette, my final thought on this palette, I actually like the formula of the palette. The matte shadows were soft on the eyes. The shimmer looks pretty good. I could use a brush. I didn't have to use my hand for the shimmer. So I tried to use a little bit of all the palettes on this eye look. Not use like the 5 eyeshadow in all the look, and I wanted to see how they all feel. And I did some swatches for you guys to see if you, yeah. So it depends on your mood. It depends on what you are feeling that day. It depends on what color you want to go for in this palette. This palette is rated for £25 in the UK. I'm going to put all the details, link and where you can find it at the description bar. So like I said, it depends on your mood, like eyeshadow colors. Yeah, so my thought is that it's an okay palette for £25 for the eyeshadow. The price range for £25. First of all, let's just say Huda Beauty is not cheap. You have to invest to buy her product. I would really love if she like come up with a full palette of all these colors in them, like a big palette of all these colors instead of just the mini. I know where she's going with this one. This one is very easy to just pop on the bag and you're gone, and you know what color you want to pick on that day if you are traveling for a particular look that you want to go for. I get where she's coming from, but for £25, we can like debate on the price at the comment section. Let me know what you think about the price, if it's an okay price. But for me, I still prefer to buy the bigger palettes. That is just my thought on it. Is the palette okay? The texture, the way it blends is good. As you can see, it blends well. I didn't have to use my finger to apply the shimmer because I was thinking, it's not going to work, because I had to use my finger to apply some of her shimmer in the remaster palette. If you've watched that review, I'm going to link the review up here. So, but this one, the brush works well for the shimmer, and I'm a big fan of this packaging. Like, Huda come through with the packaging. I'm going to actually leave this. I'm going to keep this packaging. I like it. Good to store the eyeshadows. They're cute. So guys, that is my thoughts on this Huda Beauty Precious Stone eyeshadow palette. Let me know what you think about the colors, which shades, which palette will you pick. Let me know at the comment section. Let's debate on it. If you have this palette, let me know your thoughts on it. If you are going to buy this palette, let me know what shade you are going to go for. I know I didn't like do a separate look on all the shades, but I tried to swatch some of them on my hands, right? I tried. Just give me a thumbs up. Anyway guys, I'll see you guys on my next video. Remember what I always say: be yourself, be true to yourself, love yourself, and do you always, and remain blessed. Bye guys.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down.